Hello, friends. Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. What are we going to talk about today? Don't forget offline marketing when launching your business. That's the topic that we're going to talk about today. Here are some tips about offline marketing that you must remember when launching your business. Number 3, attend trade shows and events. These occasions are like gathering for business owners. Set up your merchandise, rent a booth, and network like a pro. Engage customers with your personality and persuasive endeavor pitch. And yes, folks, check out the link in the description to explore the steps for kickstarting your business. Our detailed guide offers a step-by-step approach to initiating your journey. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on content that can help broaden your understanding. Thanks for watching.